Check out my ride, man. My whip. New whip, right? Thank you, bro. Yeah.
What's going on, La Familia? This is your boy DTJ La Familia coming to you with another episode. We're currently going to Kingston right now. We're going to pick up a vehicle that we have been waiting on for so long. It's a very great day for me today because I've been anticipating it. I've been waiting for 3 months for this vehicle and it is finally here. So we're on our way right now going to Kingston to go pick up that vehicle right now. So just tag along with us and enjoy the ride, and I hope you like this little video that I'm about to upload for you guys.
Please press the button and take the card. Safe journey.
What's going on now, La Familians? I'm finally in Kingston right now. As you can see, this is a surprise that I'm letting you guys know that we're at the wharf right now trying to get our car. A little love bomb did I see me like somebody love your boy, you know? Yeah, so the trick about today is the car that we're getting today, it is for my stepfather. He doesn't know that the car is for him. So, you know, here is he walking there. Him and Akeem walking, so he doesn't know that the car is for him. So he thought that we just bought the car for ourselves and he's just accompanying us, you know, just to drive down the car. But he doesn't know that the car is for him. So we're going to get his reaction today after we, you know, hand the key to him. I'm just going to let him look at it and then I'm going to put the key in his hand and let him know, hey, it is for you. You know, so let's see how it goes. Let's see, you know, if he'll be happy. Let's see if he'll say expect anything because, you know, he's a man that, you know, he loves to think over the head sometimes. Yep. Here waiting on the car still hasn't come out as yet. But, you know, the sun is very hot in Jamaica as usual and beautiful. You know, we're here waiting. So, we have a set of people them dove.
Long way.
Yeah, right. So just remember to subscribe, you know, join the family, join the La Familia and family. You know, let's get this channel growing, let's get this channel moving. Come like run out of word. Yeah, but you know, they are wait. So when the car come out, we kick up back the video again. Alright guys, we finally get the car. This is it right now that you're looking on. So right now we're just taking our time heading back home. Up to now, my stepdad hasn't known that the car is his. I gave him the car to drive, come down. So he still has no clue that the car is his as yet. We're waiting until we go home, and when we go home now, I'll, you know, give him the news. So we're letting him, look, he's gone. He started pressing already. So, you know, we're letting him testing it out, and then when we get home back, we can just let him know that, hey, you know, it is his, put the key in his hand and all of that, you know, and see his reaction that he gives. So, but we were there about 3 hours waiting on the broker because he took so long to come out with the car, but we have it now, we're happy. So we're just gonna stop and see if we can get some jerk pork or some jerk chicken to eat on our way back home, and I'll see you there. Alright guys, right now we're at Ultimate Jerk Center. Boss a beat a Guinness. Nothing of the right or so yet. Nothing of the right or so yet, but it's my thing and man, you don't know. Food. Food are my thing. So them breast and wing. So the stew, chicken, gravy, banh mi. I don't know you go.
Dana, put it out.
I say can nice, don't.
Yes. Nice. Nice fried. Comfortable.
Well, guess what?
It's hungry.
Yeah, that chick today. Guess what? Okay, I feel.
No. You're lying.
True.
Real?
Real thing.
Oh my God.
Yeah,
Thank
but I
you,
feel
bro.
bad.
Thank you, man. Thank you.
Yeah,
man. Thank you, man.
Because you want to go and know. A 3 months now, you know what we are planning because we know we don't have a car at the moment and we are planning for a long time now. We are saying, alright, we have to get your car and you know. Mommy know about it, everybody too. But mommy will come out with film my dad. You know, mommy, everybody know about it. I want, you know, get our car to make you know, say, yo, you know, you're a part of the family, see me, everything good. So, that a year ride, you know, wife for the ride, but at a year car,
Thank you.
so you're good to
Thank
go.
you,
You see me?
Thank you.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
You just say, appreciate it.
Oh,
I
I
do
love
good
it.
then.
That's my car.
Don't zoom on the boss thing. Don't zoom on the boss thing.
Check out my ride, man. My whip. New whip, right? Thank you, bro. Yeah.